Until now, open models were considered pretty bad at tool calling, while closed models like Opus were seen as the smart ones. But that's no longer true. It really just comes down to training. Closed models saw a much wider variety of tool call shapes during training, whereas open models saw a narrower set. Because of this, open models lean heavily on what we send them at inference. When they process a request, their underlying reasoning is actually fine, but the shape of their output can slip in small ways. It ends up just a little off from what the schema expects. When that happens, validation rejects it and throws an error. The call gets retried, the same exact response returns, and suddenly the context is polluted with failed attempts. However, we found that these mistakes aren't random. The same small set of errors keep showing up across every open model we've tested. So, we've optimized command code to handle these exact cases. When validation fails, command code looks for the known issue, automatically applies the fix, and passes a note back to the model so it can adjust. What looked like a gap in the model's intelligence was really just a strict contract problem. Command code fixes it, making it the best coding agent for open models.